Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of What's in My Kit Part 9. My name's Amia Serrano and I'm a fashion stylist, and in this series I share what's in my kit. In today's episode I'm sharing clamps. Now I have two different sizes, small ones, and I want to say like medium large. I've seen some that are a lot bigger than this, but I feel like that's more for like production stuff. Notice that they are metal. They have rubber, so the grip is really good. And then there's also rubber on the tip, which is nice because it grips whatever I need to clamp on set. The smaller ones, I usually use these to clip smaller amounts of fabric on talent. So clamps alone are just used to fit wardrobe on talent. And the smaller ones is for gathering like smaller type fabrics or just like a little bit of it. So fabrics like t-shirts or skirts. With the bigger clamps, I need to clamp larger amounts of fabric on talent. And also it would be for heavier fabrics like a coat, like a wool coat or a leather jacket or a pair of jeans. And again, it's to like fit them, whether it's in the waist or the hips or around their legs or wherever. This is what these are used for. So depending on the amount of fabric and what kind of fabric it is, depends on which size clamps you're gonna be using. I have a ton of these. I'm just showing you one at a time, but I definitely buy these in bulk because you never know how many of them you're gonna need to use at once. So you just always wanna be prepared. So these are definitely a must-have in your kit. You know, you can't get some like these even if you work in an office. Also use binder clips. But in the beginning when I was styling, I was using binder clips from my office job. Boss knew that I was taking some for styling. She let me. But ask before you take them. Those work too. And then I learned that these were the ones that you wanted to get. You can now shop these clamps on my Amazon storefront at the What's in My Kit link on my bio. Make sure you like, share, subscribe for more.